Hi, today we are going to discuss about one important topic, that is inter-service communication. Okay, suppose we have a microservice application. In that, simply assume in that microservice application we have two services, service A, service B. Now the scenario is service A need to fetch some details from service B. Okay, in service B I have some details. Service A needs that details. Okay, in microservices application, services are running independently. Okay, they don't know, each services don't know the details about another service. Okay, now as a developer, we need to implement the communication between different services. Okay, first thing we need to remember is we have an Eureka server and Eureka server client. Okay, Netflix Eureka server and a Netflix Eureka client. With the help of Eureka in the Eureka server, it provides service registry. Okay, it's like a register book. All the services are registering their details in that book. Okay, register their machine number, register their server port in the register book. Okay, remember this point. In the register book, we have all the details of the services, like in which machine it is running, in which port it is running, particular functionality is running. Okay, now to implement the communication, we have two methods. Okay, we have two ways. One is REST template, another one is Feign Client. Now we are going to discuss about Feign Client, as we are currently implementing this in our real-time applications. Okay, to add this Feign Client functionality, we should add the dependency open Feign. Okay, now what is our scenario? Service A needs to fetch details from service B. Okay, now we should enable Feign clients to this service A. Okay, we have service A, right? Just annotated service A with enable Feign clients. This enable the Feign clients for the service A. Okay, this has a functionality to implement the communication to the service B. Okay, now to implement this Feign client, we have to write one interface with in the interface is Feign client. Okay, we should annotated that interface with the Feign client. Okay, what this Feign client will do? This Feign client, suppose service A is trying to communicate to the service B. Okay, now for this Feign client, we are passing the service B. Okay, service B is registering in the Eureka server, right? Same name we will pass to this Feign client. Okay, now when we start running the service A registered or service A have functionality. Service A have Feign client functionality. Okay, so now this Feign client will search for the service B in the Eureka server. In the register book in the Eureka server, we have machine details and we have port. Okay, now this Feign client interface knows machine details, port number. Okay, now suppose in service B we are trying to hit one endpoint. Okay, so we need to implement that. We need to hit that endpoint from the service B. Okay, now this Feign client. Now from this Feign client interface, it will automatically add machine name, port number, and we need to pass the URL we have to hit. Okay, when we are executing service A, these will do all this process internally and fetch by hitting the that endpoint in the service B we can fetch details that service A needs. That's how Feign client works in real time. Thank you all.